Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace the HMI board on the Ventra XT. As you can see, the lights are out, so I've already disconnected power. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the ribbon cables and all the wiring. So I'm going to try to wiggle it and pull it straight, take the ribbon cable off for the front cover. I'm going to remove the 12 volt. I'm going to remove the ground wire. I'm going to remove off the daughter board. I'm going to remove the power. And then I'm going to remove the ribbon cable for the daughter board. In order to do that, there's little tabs that you just snap down, and then we can just gently remove that ribbon cable. Then I'm going to pull down the tabs for the front motion detector portion, and also for the touchscreen controller. And now I can use a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 4 Phillips screws that hold the HMI to the front door. Then the next thing I'm going to do is remove the ribbon cable that goes to the interconnect board. And so there we have the HMI board removed. Now to install the new HMI board, I'm going to put the ribbon cable on the back side of the board. And I'm going to put the screws back in. Start on this one. Snug each one of these screws up. Okay, so now I'm going to put my ground wire back on. I'm going to put my 12 volt wire back on. I'm going to plug in the power for the daughter board. I'm going to put my ribbon cable for the daughter board, making sure that these tabs are in the down and unlocked position. I'm going to slide that up in. I'm going to lock them in place. Do a little tug test. Lock them back up in place. Do a tug test. See there, I have one in the up position, so it doesn't slide in very easily. Lock them back in the up position. Do a tug test. And then I'm going to carefully making sure that I have all of the ribbon cable terminals aligned. I'm going to wiggle that into place, and there we've replaced the HMI board on a Ventra XT. Now I'm going to make sure that my SD card is in the locked position, and we can close the door and power it back up.